Did you love your daughter? Did you love your son? Do you love one child more than another? Or have you just learned to pretend? You say I don't have a favorite, but the little one sees it in your eyes. The other feels it in your silence, and the third grows up saying nothing. But they know love is not a grade in school. Not a 10 for one, a 7 for another. A child is not measured, a child is looked at. Simply don't measure your love, don't grade it. A child should never have to earn being loved. Do you love a child more than your wife? Do you love a child more than your husband? Do you turn love into a measuring tool? A hierarchy, a grade, a shield. Ask yourself what you are building, not today, but 20 years from now, when your children are grown and love has become what you sold. One is cherished, one is forgotten, one is king, one is a ghost. They grow up under the same roof, but not under the same sun. Today they fight for a caress, tomorrow they won't speak at all. The favorite will live with guilt, the forgotten will live with the wound. And when the parents go old, one will come out of duty, the other out of love. But no one will be able to say where it all began to tear apart. Watch your children play together, listen to them talk. The way they love or hurt each other today is the mirror of what you taught them. Do you love your child more than your wife? Then one day she will leave, not necessarily physically, but she won't be there anymore. Do you love your child more than your husband? Then one day he will look elsewhere, not necessarily at another woman, but somewhere other than home. The child should not be at the center, they should be loved, not worshipped. The couple is the roof, the child is the flower. If the roof falls, the flower dies too. Don't forget that you were a couple before being parents. You will be a couple after the children leave. Don't kill your love to raise your children. When the children are grown, in their own home, who will come to see you on Sundays, who will call at night just to say, are you okay? Have you thought about the effects? Not in 1 year, in 30 years, when your favorite is far away and the forgotten one no longer wants to come back. You don't regret a child who suffered by saying I loved you anyway. You don't make up for 20 years of silence with a holiday meal. What you do to your children today, they won't do to their children, or they won't have children because they suffer too much. You are not just a pattern, you are the architect of a generation. It's not a scream, it's not a slap, it's a look that goes faster to one. It's a party that's bigger for the other. It's a you're so grown and then you're my baby. The damage doesn't make noise, it settles in like shadow. On one day the child who became an adult wakes up and doesn't know why they don't love themselves. They don't know why they fear abandonment, why they always want to please, why they hate their sibling for no reason, why they're jealous of every dime. If you see any of these shadows in the children today, stop everything, ask yourself what light you forgot to turn on. Can you repair it? Not be perfect, but it will be real, and that is better than living with the regret that weighs more than shame. It's never too late to say I'm sorry, but never believe that too late doesn't exist. It exists, it comes one day, don't let it come. Do your love equal your loving through your house, then love equally, not equally like a machine, but equally like a heart that does not measure, does not grade, does not rank. Love is not true. Love is a house, so if you close one room, almost house to eventually fall. Don't let yours fall.